Hello everyone! This is a very random video, but I don't know if you guys know this game, but this is Chainsaw Juice King. In this game, you are someone who goes around and plays as like a worker for this juice company and stuff, and you go around with a chainsaw to get, you know, all these fruits and stuff, and like to sell the juice and things like that. Oh, I'm doing that again. As you can see, I've already been here for quite a bit and stuff. I'm on one of the other islands already, and like have a bunch of stuff and everything, and all that. So, oh wait. Oh wait, no, that guy can be. That one's done. So I just thought, just for a random little video and all that stuff, it'd be funny to try and, you know, kind of come and do this, to do a little video here, because, like, it's a very cute game, and it's become one of my favorites. It's so cute and stuff, and I love it. So, let's go ahead and start chainsawing some fruit. Let's get some, peaches. The cupcakes are here for the little event and stuff. I don't need to get too many of the grapes, since the other guy is getting the grapes for me, because I was able to hire a worker and stuff. Again, this video is not that long, not gonna be long at all, because obviously I don't think there's too much in the game to be like doing a full hour or so of this game. But then also, because in an hour I'm gonna be going to work, like my real work, not this work. I'm gonna really good work. Oh, I'm in this outfit right now, but like I could totally be in like the old outfit that it gives you and stuff when you first enter the game, and I would look like how I kind of look when I like go to work and stuff, with like a worker's hat. But I don't want it right now. Yeah, it's just a little random video and stuff. I was like, oh yeah, what if it'd be so funny if I like made a video here in Chainsaw Juice King, because I love this game. It's very fun. It's very fun, and it's just super cute, and I wanted to share it. Oh, the cookies are baked. So I went ahead and started recording and stuff. Honestly, there's not too much for me to say about this game, except that it's cute, and I find it funny. Oh, my stats. I guess it's been a while since I've played. It's been a bit, because I've been working on my work and other things. Upgrade everything. Upgrade. What was that to say? I need to grab some of that stuff, huh? Oh, I have a free wheel spin. Nice. Alright. Don't get mad at me! Ah! This is just my kind of game, though. It's so I find it funny and stuff. It's cute but violent. My kind of game. Oh my gosh, all this stuff. Oh my goodness gracious. Hey, come back. That little guy keeps following me around. I know that it's something about the gems that he's following me around for. I forgot that I can take care of those guys from afar. I can claim that. Yeah. I feel like I didn't collect that many cakes, though. This many cakes. Either something else happened, or it keeps some of the cakes that you collected from the last time this little event was up. Because I played on this during that cake event before, and there was some cake pieces I got, but the time ran out and stuff. So yeah. What is it? Okay, is it this? Sure. Uh-oh, a commercial's gonna come up. Oh no! Commercial! No! Okay, no more commercial. I don't even know again what I'm doing here. But I hope you guys think, like, do you guys like this game? Does anyone else know of this game? Can I do it? No! Okay. I guess that's what I'll do, is I'm gonna be trying to get, that open. And stuff. It shouldn't be too difficult to get the big grapes open. Yeah! Die. You guys are seeing my more violent side, but in a cute manner. The one grape, really. And then put that there. Help my cashier. Oh, Harvest Festival. I had to retry this one time, actually. And stuff, because, you know, they get harder and harder as you go. It caught me off guard before when the first time I figured out that these flippin' things fight back. Oh my gosh! Oh no! I'm gonna die! Oh, recovering! Oh, recover! Get the orange! The orange is the violent one. Okay. Enlarged chainsaw. Give! Oh, I forgot these are the later ones, so they start spawning in more. No! Exploding. Who knew fruit could be so violent? Who knew fruit could be bad for you? It's not actually bad for you. Make sure to keep eating your fruits. I definitely will keep eating my fruits. I love fruit. Fruit is like my thing. Give me this chainsaw! No! I was trying to get through to get the chainsaw so I can flip it through the thing. I'm going to retry. Get me out! You need a first. What is this? Freezing? Oh, nice. Thank you. I'm just gonna stand there for a second. Gimme. Explosion! Get off of me! Ooh, freeze. Apples don't hurt me, so if I could just get rid of the apples. And let's chainsaw! Go! Turn the character! Try to get the oranges. Get me out! No, it disappeared. No, I ran out of time. I forgot that there's a flippin' time limit. No! How am I do I get to just continue retrying, or like do I have a certain amount of retries I can do? No. Move. I gotta move. There's a thing over there. I gotta get it. Get it. Explosion. Move. Enlarge chainsaw. Die. Aw. I wish that would last longer. Move. My gosh. No, the time's running out again. How do you expect me to flip and beat this if they keep respawning? moving on from that round. How do you expect me to beat that? I don't get how I can beat that if it, like, all of them keep spawning, right? They all just kept spawning in and stuff. I couldn't do anything about that. What is this? What kind of commercial is this? Oh! Do you see those words? You saw those words? There's a new costume obtained. Like, does that mean I have a costume? Here. I already had that hat. What's this? Aww. Do I have anything else? No? That's cute. Do I want to wear that right now, though? It doesn't match. You know what? I'm gonna go look for this. Let's see. Let me grab some of these cupcakes very quick. And other fruits while I'm at it. And then we're gonna go see if we can go get the big, what's the called? Grapes. I can unlock them now. Big grapes, big grapes. Nice. Oh, goodness gracious. Immediately charging. Immediately. Yeah. Oh, their health goes down real fast, though. Or is that my chainsaw? It might be my chainsaw. That's crazy. My gosh, all the grapes. Well, now that I have the big grapes out and stuff, I could probably I think I could probably change my worker guy. Maybe. Or do I want to do that? I'm gonna collect some of these so I can fulfill the order of that one person. Okay, I need a couple more still. Wait, I got hurt? Did these things get mad? Oh, they do! I don't remember seeing these ones get mad before. Come on, golden one. These ones. I love them because they're the gold ones. But I don't like them because they also just keep running around all the time. Thank you, da da da. Bee bee dee 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 dee. Got the extras in the thing. There we go. Cashier, collect some money. Oh, that's just that. I keep forgetting. That was another weird commercial. Let's just quickly put the cake pieces in. Alright. Again, this was a very short video. I just wanted to do a little video with this because for some reason, I actually don't fully know. It's just a really cute game. Like, seriously, look at it. Look at my little key right there. Look at the little customers and them grabbing the drinks. Oh, hello. I don't remember who you are. You're supposed to mean something, though. I forgot what you did. Who are you? You're not going to ruin the stuff, are you? I don't remember. I think this guy was not good news. But I don't remember. Or is this guy just a random guy wandering around? And then there's a regular. Yep, someone who always gets 3. What you doing? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here now, though, because I'm gonna have to be like, holy moly, order frenzy. Oh gosh. Wait, what? Holy moly! What happened? Well, since when? Why is there people here? Ah! My thing! My notepad's on fire! Ah! Withdraw my juice. Dang. How much you guys want? Okay, well, I'm still gonna go ahead and end the video and stuff, I guess. I'll tell you, I don't know. I didn't know that, I forgot that that was a thing. Oh, VIP guy. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video and everything here now. I'm actually gonna go ahead and end it this time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The small video of me playing, obviously, you know, Chainsaw Juice King and stuff. It's just a cute little game that I randomly found and stuff when playing one of my other games. And I thought it was really cute, so I got it. And I really liked it. And I wanted to share it with you guys in case you guys didn't know about it. Oh, no! No, 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 no! No, don't leave. Don't do it. I'm sorry. No. I will see you guys next time in one of my other videos sometime. Sorry, I keep getting distracted while trying to do this outro. Bye, guys. She's running through my mind all day.